In the last video, you were asked to develop an app using checkboxes, which should be something like this. If I choose here some items, I should be able to place order which says your order is tea and milkshake, and also the bill should be generated, which is 60 rupees. In today's video, we'll be seeing how to make use of radio buttons in our app. So you can extend the same app by putting two options here. How would you like to pay your bill, that is either cash or card, and then confirm the order. So to give this option, we need to use radio buttons. So let's see how to add radio buttons and use them in our apps. So I'll go to buttons and take radio button, and as it is constrained layout, I need to constrain this radio button with my parent layout like this, and place it where you wish. So this radio button, I'll give it as payment by cash. Likewise, take a second radio button, link it with the parent layout, and place it here, somewhere here, with the text payment by card. This text view would be used for displaying the result, so this text can be kept empty for time being. And finally, a button to confirm the order. So I'll say confirm. Right? To see the effect of not connecting this button with the layout, I'll just run this app and launch it. By the time the app gets launched, come here and create objects of first radio buttons. So we have two radio buttons, so R1, R2, one button B, and one text view, which is T. To link these components with Java, use find view by ID, r.id. the first radio button, which is radio button. Likewise, R2 is also found with the ID r.id. second radio button. Text view, find text view with r.id. text view. You cannot see any ID here. For text view, the ID is text view, so text view. And for button B, the ID is r.id. button. So all these components are linked with Java file. Just see the effect of not linking this confirm button with the layout. So it jumps to this 0, 0 position to the topmost left corner. And if you don't want this to happen, you have to connect all its sides with constraint layout, so that it remains on the position chosen by you, right? Now on button click, I'll have set on click listener, view, enter. So on click, I have to find out which of the two radio buttons is checked. So I'll write R1 is checked. If R1 is checked, the text view should be displayed with a message, thanks for cash payment. And in case the second radio button is checked, display the message as thanks for card payment. Let's run this app with the connected device to see what is the effect of having two radio buttons. So my app is installed now. So payment by cash. When I say confirm, thanks for cash payment. Card, confirm, thanks for card payment. What's the problem? Both the radio buttons are checked at once, which is not what is expected. By this way, the shopkeeper would be very happy, but the customer won't, because you are not supposed to pay 2 times for the same bill, right? So let's proceed. How to overcome this problem? For that, we are going to put these two radio buttons in one group. So we need to have a radio group here and put both the buttons in the same group, so that it avoids selecting both at once. So how to put it? Instead of doing it here, I'll do it in the component tree. Take this radio group, keep it wherever you wish. So let's say here. In this radio group I want radio button, so just select it and drag and drop it in radio group. Select, drag and drop in radio group. Now both these buttons are in the same group. What else I need to do? Create object of radio group, which is RG, and give some ID to this radio group to link it with your Java file. So ID is radio group. Now here I'll just link it with find view by ID, r.id.radio group. Now let's launch this app one more time and see whether the problem is gone or not. So API is installing and it's launched now. So when I choose the second option, payment by card, confirm, it says thanks for card payment, and this time when I go for the first option, it automatically unselects the previous one. Thanks for cash payment now, right? So that's all from this. Now what you have to do is, using radio buttons, you have to create a quiz app wherein there will be question and 4 options for the question, and if the correct option is chosen, you have to say your answer is correct and allot some point. In case of wrong answer, display that answer is wrong and allot 0 points. So that's all from this video. Thanks for watching.